Hi, this is Varun and you are watching Mr. Productivity. In this video, I'll show you how you can generate auto captions or auto subtitles for your videos and audios in Clipchamp video editor, which is a free video editor by Microsoft, and you can have the playlist in the I button. So let me import a media and then drag the media to the timeline. Click on captions and click on turn on auto captions. And Clipchamp will ask you for your language. I'm selecting English United States for my audio. It will take some time to generate the captions. You can skip this part or you can stay with me. As you can see, our captions are generated here. From here, you can change the text. You can edit the text. And you can also download the captions file in SRT format. You can also hide the captions in this video, or you can export the video with the captions. To format the text, click on the text. And from here, you can select the alignment. From here, you can change the font. From here, you can change the primary color. From here, you can change the background color. And click on transform to transform your text. You can increase and decrease the size of the text. You can position it anywhere you want. Let me position it to the middle. And you can also click on the text and drag and drop to position it. But I prefer this method because this is very effective. Once you're done, if you want to burn the captions to the video and export the video, you can click on export, or you can just export the SRT file and turn off the captions here. So I will go and burn the captions to the video. So I'm going to export the video. It will take some time. Our video has been exported. Let me show you the file.
I was just a small, scruffy puppy when I was found wandering the streets, alone and hungry. I had no idea where I came from or who my family was, but fate had other plans for me, and it wasn't long before a kind family took me in and gave me a new home. They named me Rusty, and from the moment I walked through their door, I knew I was loved. They gave me a warm bed to sleep.
Well, we successfully created auto subtitles and captions in our Clipchamp video editor. If this video was useful to you, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.